Unfortunately, in the past, deploying infrastructure was a very daunting task. It took us anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks to provide the infrastructure. With cloud, we have the ability to provide an infrastructure in a matter of minutes. We no longer have to embark in design and architectural discussions. It's simply there. That, in combination with configuration management tools, has allowed us to take advantage to be able to deploy, to execute on projects in very, very rapid manner. We initially started with a true POC, and to be honest with you, it's quite surprising how it's evolved from early last year to where we are now. From POC, we went to moving a couple of pre-production runways. It's essentially dev environments where development teams make use of to validate their code. And then from that, it's grown up to the point where we now have a production entity inside Line.com. It's essentially powered through the private cloud infrastructure. What resonated with my team and I was the support for a wide range of support for various hypervisors. Something that in the past, actually, for most other solutions that we were comparing Citrix Cloud with, did not have. Plus, another simple, very simplistic philosophy that we used is when we first deployed any cloud solution, we ran them side by side. In that regard, Citrix Cloud also was far superior than the rest of the solutions. So with that, the decision was not as hard, you would imagine, because if you think about it, once you go through the phases of evaluating the product and one stands up, then the conversation becomes a lot more simplistic. Citrix Cloud, in this particular case, has promoted that technical agility that is required to be able to develop these new solutions and publish them in our website. So in other words, not only are we helping ourselves in being able to evaluate these new tools, but at the same time, we're empowering the customers to be able to leverage the new tools that are required in today's business world.